Hello everybody, this is George with Melnick's Automotive, working on a 2018 Honda Accord with a check engine light. I put my scan tool on the vehicle and I was able to pull 2422, again P2422. It's a Evap Cvs stock closed. I'll show you where to find this valve and where it's located in this car, and we'll also test the valve as well. But you also get that annoying message saying evap system problem. So I'm going to get right underneath the car and show you where it's located. It's the emission system problem. Power may be reduced. See your dealer. Very annoying, very scary message for people that don't work on the cars. So let's go underneath the car and see what's going on. Okay, everybody, you got a car jacked, got a car up on the lift. So here's what we need to do. The charcoal canister is located basically right in front of the rear passenger wheel, right underneath this shield. This shield has to come off. It's pretty easy to do. If you're gonna need little pick fork and 10 millimeter socket. So there's total of 1, 2, we have 3, and there's one underneath here. So there's four 10 millimeter nuts, and then there's a clip. There's also like a little pin clip here, and you'll have to remove this pin clip and that pin clip to get the shield off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off, and I'm gonna show you where the charcoal canister located. All right, so this is a brand new charcoal canister from the dealer. This is the part number for my vehicle. You always want to check with the dealer. So this is the vent valve right here. Okay, this is a CVS valve, and that's the code for this valve that it's stuck. You could take it apart, clean it. There's 2 pins inside. There's a positive and negative, so you could use a battery, try to see if the valve is moving, and in order to pull it out, you just twist it and pull it. There's a little clip right here. But the thing of it is, a lot of times spider gets in here because there's a hose, and into this hose the spider gets in there if the car sits for a long time and makes himself a nest there, and that's it, it's clogged. You could try blowing it out, but this is so inexpensive. It's about $150 with my discount. I think it's a list price around 300 bucks. Okay, so I got the old one off right here. There's a couple lines that you have to unplug. The hose there. We're gonna go ahead and install the new one, and there's also pressure sensor on top right here, which you have to spread these clips to pop the sensor out. We're gonna go ahead and transfer everything over. There's a plug right here for the vent valve. That's your pressure sensor right here that pops in, and then you have two hoses. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one and reset the light, and we'll go from there. All right, I put everything back, reassembled everything, and we'll drive it for a few days and see what happens. Usually within 50 miles the check engine light would kick on. We'll see what happens. Alrighty, so I've been driving the car now for quite some time, and I'm driving it now. I think I put on 60 miles or 60, maybe 70 miles since after I repaired the car, and the check engine light has not reappeared. So this is a confirmed fix. Once again, thanks for watching. This was George with Melnick's Automotive.